Skip Bedell is here with life-saving products to have.
All right, so over here we got some power.
Yeah,
power, a big problem for
I
this
love
store.
this stuff. Listen, 4Patriots, they make incredible products. These are solar generators, meaning they work on a solar power panel. You can plug it in and charge it up. This is their larger Patriot Power 1800. This is their smaller sidekick, 300 watts. But the idea is this is an actual generator, but because there's no engine, there's no fumes, you could run this in your car. So if you keep this in your car, you have enough power to actually plug in a portable heater like this, and you can keep yourself warm for days with this thing. So it's unbelievable. This will actually run your appliances at home, your refrigerator, your freezer, things like that if you have an emergency situation. But very portable, and if you need to charge it up because you're away from home for a couple of days, you can charge it up with the power of the sun. So super.
One thing that's really fascinating, this has a USB, so if your phone, which is your critical tool in the emergency,